welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to be going through Lang Right. And Lang Right is the hive, if you've been watching the channel, is the hive that when we reduced that one box, the queen went with the box that we were cutting out. So I had to actually grab her with my hands, bring her back. So we want to make sure that she's okay, still in there and doing well. We're also going to feed them if they need it, and see how they're doing as far as maybe needing that second deep back. We'll see. Alright, let's go do this. Start over. Alright, this is Lang Right, and we want to take a look in here, see how they're doing. If I can find the queen, that'd be awesome. Remember, this is the hive that we reduced down to one box. We took the box over to brush out the dead bees, and we found the queen in there. So, not having a queen clip at that time, I had to use my fingers to bring her over here. So I'm hoping I didn't hurt her. Let's find out. There's the smoker.
Oh, it's small.
Yep. All right, if you can take that over and refill it. I'm going to let them keep this dry sugar, is all they got left, for a week or two more. Then we're going to take it away from them. There's no place to put this. Okay, they're not going to need a second deep just yet. They are on about 5 frames. They've got honey on this side. I think what I'm going to do, if I can get these things to move. Okay, they're working on cleaning that up yet. Okay, I'm looking for the queen, first signs of a queen. We got cat brood. Nothing on that side. A little bit.
See.
I've got some burr comb here that I'm going to get rid of. They're putting in some nectar.
Junior's scared. Why?
Yep.
I feel cool.
Couldn't tell if there's any eggs in there. I'm not seeing any eggs on this one, so now I'm getting worried. That's a lot of brood on this side.
I saw one brood.
Okay, I couldn't tell, but it looked like there might have been eggs on that one.
What's a queen cell look like?
Like a peanut.
Peanuts?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Come on, girls. I think I see eggs again. It's hard. It's hard to see them. I would very much like to see a queen on this one. Okay, this is solid eggs.
Wow, buzz. I heard a buzz.
A lot of pollen in here. Bringing in a lot of pollen. Nothing on this side. Can you hold this one, Josh?
I'll ask you a bee.
Good. Now they've got some honey over here, so I want to get that closer to where they are so they can utilize it. This one's full. All right.
Okay.
Yep.
Using happen with me.
I want to put those two frames in there.
C.
I may have to move this one down a bit more yet. We'll see.
Okay, I murdered the bees. That's good. Huh?
There we go. Alright, then if you want to fix the box,
Fix a box?
yeah, just let it go. Back towards you. Alright. Then put the inner cover on. And then sugar syrup.
Okay.
The little camera got moved. Right, so then the box.
The box?
Yeah, the red box.
The bees. Right?
Yep. And then the cover. Yep.
Bees.
Okay, cover's not quite on, right? Right. Then the bricks.
The bees. Sorry.